Give us an idea of how you made the decisions of what to build first.
We were not like an SI, but we were very close to our customers still, right? So I don't think it's a controversy. The initial value proposition was very technical, right? So it was not that business feature oriented, because what we heard about from our own experience having worked with all the other stacks is that every time one of these non-retail customers tried to use this rather B2C-ish platforms back then, changing them and changing the architecture, which was never designed to do so, like decompose it into modules, extending it, adding use case that people saw on the B2B side. This was very, very, very expensive, very hard to do, because it just was not part of neither the tools provided nor the architecture. So the initial value proposition, what we built kind of in the very beginning, was very, very tech oriented. So we built kind of a framework which, provided this base architecture, which we still have today, which was, composable, which was headless with a decoupled front and back end, which had APIs. So we did not go deep on every single capability, like adding features, but, we made sure that the architecture makes sense, right? And then we started to validate it with the first pilot customers, going to them and putting this, in their hands, saying, look, we heard or we knew you guys have an RFP going on, or you have any type of platform selection, right? We know that, by any means we would not fulfill your requirements yet, because, not all certification are there, because no references.
Sure.
But we are an experienced team, of technology and e-commerce veterans and people who understand the domain very well. And we guess we know what your problem is. So have a look at this, right? Just kind of outside of the competition, have a look at this, right? And people did, right? And they were like, oh, amazing. This is exactly what we need, right? So, and then people gave us the chance and gave us the benefit of the doubt, betting on this, right? Becoming pilot customers. And then, of course, you need to listen to your initial partners. You need to listen to your initial clients. And this is what I think we did to kind of help us shape the roadmap and understand, do we want to go broad? Do we want to go deep? Which capabilities first? Which capabilities second? Ultimately, if you look at how the roadmap is shaped today, it's a much more, let's use the word again, sophisticated process. But in the beginning, it was staying very close to our customers and partners.
Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more great IT thought leadership. And thanks to our partners at Salesforce Platform for making this show possible. Go to salesforce.com/newsletter to discover timely insights and useful tips tailored to your role.